is up, everyone? It's Kaylee Cat here, and welcome back to another video. So, in today's video, if you couldn't tell by the title, I'm going to be mixing all these colors of glitter into one clear slime and seeing how it turns out. And I'm filming late, so like my hair's a mess, and I just don't look great right now. But whatever, let's just get into the video.
With this really pretty gold glitter, and I have to unscrew all the tops because there's this little tap thing you're supposed to be able to break to like sprinkle the glitter out, but it won't break. So I just have to pour it. So we're gonna do a tiny bit of that, just that much, because actually it can do a little more. I'm trying to add just like little bits of every one so that the color spreads out evenly. Next up, we have orange. Alright guys, this one's like really pretty. It reminds me so much of like fall. So that's this one. So here's what we got so far. Pretty simple. Now we have some red orange glitter. It's really pretty. Oh wait, no, this is just plain red, yeah. So we have some red glitter. So there's that. I'm adding really little amounts because I don't want to use all my glitter because this is all the glitter I have, guys. And now we're going to add pink.
Every glitter color here in my pack of 12, we have something that looks like this. So we're going to start mixing it now. Okay guys, so for some reason my flashlight just came on, and this is how it looks. It's really pretty. I really don't like the flashlight. I'm gonna go turn that on. So it turned out to be this really pretty, just like blob of all different colors of glitter. It's kind of more on the dark side, obviously. And if you couldn't tell when I was trying to like mix it, it was sticking to my hands like a lot because I guess I kind of should have activated the slime more before doing this. My dog is barking so much right now and it's annoying me. And let's just give him a minute, guys, because he's having like problems.
No, he's not.
Super pokey. And yeah, this is what happens when you mix all these glitters together. It's really pretty. So let's just get a close up there. It's silver. It's kind of holographic, but not really. So yeah. Sorry about that, guys. So I did go and add some borax, so now I can actually touch it without it like sticking to me. And it's a really, really nice texture. Feels like a glitter slime. And yeah, guys, it's kind of darker than I thought it would be. Maybe I added too much black or something. But yeah.
Well, you have black
I'm
glitter.
recording, Liam.
Oh.
My brother's being so annoying back there. Not him. He's being fine. My other brother. See? I just pretended to record him, guys. I'm such a mean sister. But if someone's messing with my slime videos, I'm gonna have a problem. So yeah, guys, if you could see this in person, you would see how pretty it is. It's like this kind of blackish, grayish, like clear slime. And it has like all these different colors of glitter in it. Kind of looks like funfetti, and it's like really pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna just try and do one bubble, and then we will end the video, guys. Okay, ready? I'm not very good at these, but I'll try. We're gonna retry that, guys. Let's just, guys, I'm sitting on the floor. This is really uncomfortable. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay.
It was there for like a millisecond.
So usually I'm pretty good at this, but I'm like tired, so my bubbles are a little rusty. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Stop. Oh my gosh. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and put on the notification bell. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.